Hello Year 7 and welcome to today's DIRT lesson, reviewing your performance. You will complete designated independent reflection time for term 2. Why? To develop reflective writing skills, paying close attention to analysing and evaluation. Assessment criteria. On track. Use basic drama terminology to evaluate a performance. Write in full sentences about your strengths and weaknesses. Identify targets for improvement and display a limited level of literacy orally and in your written work. Task 1. Write a short paragraph outlining what your performance piece was about. You should write in full sentences. This task is worth 1 mark. Here is an example. Our performance piece was a performance called Isabella and was a fairy tale which included stock characters. Isabella was captured by the evil villain Dario and was rescued by the brave and gallant prince. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to complete this task. Task 2. Describe what your drama tools you used. Explain how you used these skills to help you develop your piece. You should write in full sentences using keywords. Give at least 3 examples of the drama tools you used. This task is worth 6 marks. An example. For our performance, we decided to start with a freeze frame, where each character stepped out and voiced how their character felt at the start of the play. For example, I must come up with a sneaky plan to take the princess away. I can then marry her, and I shall be king thereafter. We then use the drama tool. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to complete this task. Task 3. Analyse why you use these skills, thinking about the impact these skills have on the audience, i.e., why have you used them? You should write in full sentences using keywords. Give at least 3 examples of the drama tools you used. This task is worth 6 marks. An example. We decided to use a freeze frame with the characters who stepped out to show the audience how each of the family felt at the start of the performance piece. We wanted to show each of the characters' thoughts changing as the play progressed. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to complete this task. Task 4. Evaluate your strengths in your performance, i.e. what worked well. You must provide details of where your strengths were, i.e. talk about the moment from the performance piece. You should write in full sentences using keywords. Give at least 2 examples of the drama tools you used successfully. This task is worth 4 marks. An example. During the performance piece, I believe I was successful when performing in the freeze frame. I made sure that I was still throughout, faced the audience, showing a clear facial expression, which showed that my character was feeling excited. I also made sure that I was not blocked or didn't block others by standing in front of them when showing a freeze frame of the family taking off on the plane at the start of the performance piece. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to complete this task. Task 5. Evaluate your areas for development, i.e. what skills do you and your group need to add, change or improve to help you develop your performance in creating an engaging piece for an audience. You should write in full sentences using key words. Give at least 2 examples of the drama tools you intend on improving and explain how and why you intend on improving them. This task is worth 4 marks. An example. During our performance piece, we decided to use narration to help tell our story to the audience. We decided to take it in turns during our rehearsals. We found it difficult to set the tone for the audience. For example, we wanted the audience to feel excited for the princess. However, when delivering this dialogue, I was thinking about what to say rather than how to say it. Therefore, I don't think the audience would have been interested in the performance piece. Your teacher will pause the video here for you to complete this task. You have now completed this assessment piece.